Hi, welcome back to Grace Signature. I am Grace Annabelle. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my prawn spaghetti recipe. So come with me to my kitchen and let's start cooking. All right, so right here I have a teaspoon of shrimp seasoning, teaspoon of grated ginger, a teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 packet of spaghetti, and I think that's a lot. 454 grams. I will leave some. I will not use everything. A teaspoon of habanero peppers finely chopped, 1 clove of garlic finely chopped, a teaspoon of oregano, a handful of spinach, 1 red onions, and 220 grams of prawns. Okay, so I'll be using extra virgin olive oil. Let's start cooking. Right, so I've added some water to my pot. I'll add in some salt and oil and bring those to a boil. So I'll cover those and leave it to boil. So at this time it is boiling, so I'm adding in my spaghetti. Actually, I didn't use everything. The whole packet I used 300 grams. Okay, so now I'll cover it and leave it to cook. All right, so it's been cooking for 10 minutes, and yeah, I've come to check on it. So look at that, it is really doing well. It is cooking nicely. So yeah, I'll cover those and then leave it for another 5 more minutes. Okay, so now I'll get my wok or my saucepan on my cooker. I'll add in about a teaspoon of olive oil. And then next, leave it to heat up. So the oil is hot now. So at this point, I'm adding in my prawns. These prawns are cleaned and deveined. All right, so now I'll flip it over. Yeah, to get the other side also cooked. Okay, so now my prawns is ready. So I'll get everything out from the oil. Then we'll go to the second parts of the cooking. All right, so I need that flavor from my prawns, so I'm not going to wipe my wok. I'll just add in some extra oil. Next is my grated ginger. I'll give this a good stir. Yes, so grated ginger is the secret to my tasty spaghetti or fried rice. Okay, so when you add grated ginger to your fried rice, it takes the flavor and the aroma to another level. Okay, so at this point I'm adding in my my finely chopped garlic, and that's 1 clove of garlic. All right, so next is my habanero pepper. I'm adding that for some heat. As a typical African, there are certain food that I cannot eat without heat, without pepper. Yes, I love my heat. So that is optional, okay? If you don't like it hot, do not add that. It is absolutely optional. So now I'm adding in my onions. Stir those. Next is my dried thyme and oregano. Oops. Stir those. And then finally, shrimp seasoning. Give this a good stir. And at this point, our spaghetti is ready to go in there. We are getting there. Our shrimp spaghetti will be ready soon. All right, so at this point, I'll go ahead and add in my cooked spaghetti. And then go ahead and mix this. All right, so now I'm gonna add in my shrimp back. Yes, we need that in there. Mix this again. And then finally, I'll add in my spinach. So now I'm not going to allow this to cook for long because it is ready now and I don't want to overcook the spinach. So yes, I'll just give this a good stir for about 20 seconds and my shrimp spaghetti is ready to be served. So look at that. Look at how beautiful this looks like. And this is not just beautiful, like I always say, it is tasty. It is really, really good. It tastes amazing. The grated ginger added to this has taken the flavor and the aroma in this to another level. Guys, if you are someone that do not add grated ginger to your stir fry, to your fried rice, please start doing that because the grated ginger is the secret to my tasty fried rice and stir fry. All right, guys, so now this is ready to be served. And you know, hubby is standing right by me, waiting to take his that's his lunch pack for work. Look at that. Look at that. Look at how beautiful it is. Isn't this beautiful? This is cooked to perfection. It is perfect. Okay, guys, so yeah, that's it for today's video. It's as easy and simple as that, right, guys? So if today is your first time stopping by, a very warm welcome to Great Signature, and to all my subscribers, thank you so much for your support to this channel. Please share my videos with your family and friends, like and also comment. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell, all right, so you do not miss an upload from me. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye bye.